Oh, oh, oh. You're talking to us? Oh, is that uncomfortable? Oh, mm-hmm. Did you like the Super Bowl? No opinion? Are you excited that Daddy's making peanut butter bars? Yeah, you're excited, huh? Oh, what a good talker you are. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah? Did you have fun at church today? You seem very excited. Oh. Oh, yeah? You're such a cutie pie. Yeah. Does Mommy love you? Oh, yeah. Yeah. And Daddy loves you and Andrew loves you. Oh, yeah? Hi. Oh, excuse you. Oh, what was that? Oh, are you going to dance for us? What a cutie pie, huh? You're wearing a very big outfit, huh? Yeah. You're starting to slide down.